Hi, this is Ajay. I'm a founder of Village Map Joiner, and I'm going to explain about the editor feature here. So you pay one time 199 rupees for the editor, which gives you 24-hour access where you can upload PDF, JPEG, all the map files which you can source from your government. So you can upload the file and join everything. So let me open and show you what's. So once you open, you will have a plain screen where like you can the sidebar you can choose the JPEG files, PDFs, and etc. So I have taken a three file example today. Um, three FMB sketches are adjacent to each other. Three survey numbers are adjacent to each other, and I'm gonna select all three, and all three documents I have downloaded from Tamil Nadu government website. Similarly, you can download it for Maharashtra, uh, Assam, Bihar, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, whatever the state you are, you can just download it by yourself, and then you can just come here, upload it, join it, and have it as one single file instead of having it multiple files and juggling through from one file to another. So let's auto arrange it. It auto arranges based upon the name. So when you set a name like 456, it auto arranges as 456, and then you can select all the files and lock it. When you lock it, the position locks. That's the main reason you lock it. And then when you erase it, you can just come here, select the size of eraser, and then just go along this way, so that you don't need unnecessary things, right? Like the north pointer or something, and all of the things can be removed. Usually, people want to see the whole land plot, like whatever the area they have, and the whole map as one single one. So then I usually select the whole thing and then delete it. That's the fun way to do it. You can do it in the mobile as well, and you can still do it in the PC. I recommend to go with PC because you'll have more memory to do it. So this is 4A. This you can select whichever land pocket. It will show you which file it is. It is 4, right? So the next file would be 5A, which comes adjacent to 4A. Usually, it will not be apples to apples match. You have to match the size. Sometimes you have to rotate it like this, and all these things should happen. So right now the size is not matching, but if you zoom in and see, you can see from this point to this point it's 23 meters, from this point to this point it's 23 meters, right? It's same, but government doesn't gives you in that way. That's the problem. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm gonna set it like this and then make it bigger. So once I make it bigger, all I can do is I can try to match the size. Still something is missing. Zoom out. Yeah. Now it's apples to apples match. The size is apples to apples match. So 4A and 5A is done. You can zoom out and lock the file. Now 4A and 5A doesn't have to. So then you can see here. Then the next one is 6A, which is adjacent to 5A. You can even in the map it will be something like this: 5A, 6A. It's adjacent, and all you have to do is come here, place it right there. Then so initially for the previous 5A, what we did is like we increase the size, right? So for this pocket, we have to decrease the size. Then I decrease the size. I try to match it. Still have to decrease the size. Still have to, yeah. Also, you can use once you select a file, you can use upper arrow, lower arrow, and everything to align it correctly. I usually do that when I try to do something for a client or something. I try to pinpoint correct mark it correctly. So yeah, you can see it now, right? It's fully marked. So once these things are fully marked, all you can do is this is three survey now. 4A, 5A, and 6A is all pre-jointed as one single file. Usually, government provides us as a three files. So then, once this is done, you can also add a text labels, something like much bigger 4A, and you can color it out. 4A is mine, or you can say like 5B is my neighbor's. Say like I can put it in blue, or I can change it to red. 6A, you can choose whatever you want, whatever the color you want, and you can choose this. And I'm still working on many features, adding out many features and stuff. So once this is done, all you can do is you can export. So for example, right now by default white background is off. The main reason is many people download this to show it in a PPT, or place it in a map or something they're trying to see. So what we did is like we want to show this as a transparent one. So that's the main reason. Right now you can switch it to white background, and then you can choose however the size you want, or page size you want. If it is one A1, A2, A4, it increase the dots per inch. So that's the idea behind it. All you can do is just download. When you really face an issue here in this export part, we usually have a system to talk, and also you can just message me and say like this is the issue, this is where I'm facing. um, I can help you out. And then you can also download it as PNG, one single PNG, and you can just open and see. Everything will be in high quality. So let me show you this example. So if you zoom into it, the even the numbers are visible, very clearly visible. The meters and everything are clearly visible, right? So yeah, if you zoom right here, all the numbers here are clearly visible. So similarly, it will be visible in the images and PDF and everything. Thank you for the order, and thank you for